Good morning. I have left Kontum and I'm going somewhere into the north, and the target is to do somewhere around 200 kilometers. So let's see which place I will sleep tonight.
It's like more of a grave thing, but I don't understand what is the reason and the cultural thing of having these sheds, colorful things over here. But far away, it looks so beautiful. Maruti 800, oldest. This is something funny thing is happening. Everyone is on the stage holding some gifts, photos, flowers, and they are dancing crazy. Beer everywhere. Hot pot everywhere. What are they doing? I don't know. They are calling me in. Really? Let's go in. I'll just park this one. Where you from? India. Yo! And there's my bike in this beautiful paradise. Those are my favorite windmills. Quick update. My petrol is low and I still have to go a long way, and the weather is like this. The heavy clouds are coming too low of the mountain. This is my first time ever, and I'm just wearing one hoodie. A problematic thing. Too cold. Woo! And then I have to reach like 60, somewhere around 50 more kilometers where I can find a place to stay. कहाँ जाना है ये तो पता ही नहीं है मुझे, लेकिन जगह बढ़िया है. हेलो, द प्लेस इज ब्यूटीफुल. यहाँ पे बादल बहुत नीचे है. क्लाउड्स आर सो लो डाउन देयर. टचेस द माउंटेन्स. Very quiet town, nothing much to do. So I just entered here yesterday because it was raining and I don't know where to go, and that was the only town I see on the road on the way. So I just entered here, and then I saw one random, nothing was on the internet like the hotels, nothing. Then I asked them this, oh, this much, which is actually more. They gave me a very big room, but I don't need that. I just need the bed. So yeah, that's the case. But it's a beautiful town, but grey clouds are like a little bit dangerous, every time. Need to find a petrol pump and the destination where to move today. अरे रोड इतनी खराब है, कभी कभी पैच बिल्कुल खराब हो जाते हैं, बिल्कुल खराब. So my next destination is Danang, was Danang, but now I've decided that I'm going to the another route, and later I'll do Danang, because when I reach towards the sea, it's just half an hour or just 30 kilometers somewhere. That much of drive to Danang. There's the board. The lower one says Danang straight and right towards. अरे बकरी बीच में क्यों बैठी है? So right to Tamke. So I'm going Tamke right now. I just came to know. Hello Tamke, I am coming. बकरियाँ. What I have decided? This is not good. It doesn't seem good. I don't think my bike can do this. It can go inside the mud. All my clothes, everything will go to hell. What to do? चलो चलाएं इसे, गड्ढों पे भगाएं इसे. इसी में तो मजा है, इसी में तो मजा है. अगर मैं अच्छी वाली होती तो मजा ही आ जाता. मरे 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 मरे. So this is the road which I have to go. Choose the wrong one. Always. ये जमीन धस रही है. But that is getting under the ground and the speed just suddenly decrease, and what you would use is stop and the bike move right left. So just like they have put it new. ये तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा गड्ढे हैं, खड़े होके चलानी पड़ेगी. ऐसे तो चूताड़ी हिल जाएंगे मेरे नहीं तो. 227 kilometers this road goes like this. And how many kilometers goes like broken? I don't know. But there is no cut and divider. So no going back. I can see a lot of construction is going on. So no complaints. Things takes time. Even why to complain? I'm enjoying this. I have always want this kind of road to drive. The only thing is I have these things. I mean, I don't want to say anything about this, but I want a bigger bike. I want a bigger bike to do all these things. More speed, more fun, more traction, more control, more confidence. Woohoo! Someday. Hello cows. Forgot to see you cows. This is a very great. अरे यार, मुझे लगा मुझे ऊपर जाना है, मजा ही आ जाता. ओहो, I wanted to go. तेरी बहन की, हिल गया सर. खड़ा होना पड़ेगा. Nice interaction. So this is a tri-junction. That's a beautiful place. Okay, let me check. Where to go? Okay, so left लेना है. यहाँ से उधर. फिर उस पे चलते जाना सीधे. सीधे चलते जाना इस पे. सीधे समुंदर में गिरेंगे जाके. बढ़िया मशीन है. On the way I saw a lot of this bamboo and bamboo udyogpati. So they are doing deforestation here. ये तो अटक गया. तो पीछे नहीं आना. Isuzu 4 ट्रक नहीं जा, 4 टायर नहीं जा रहे ढंग से. हेलो स्नाइपर. इनके पास एक टीवी शो है जिसमें जजेस बैठे हैं और लोग कैरियोके कर रहे हैं और जजेस रो दे रहे हैं कि क्या कैरियोके किया है आपने, मज़ा ही आ गया.